I think I hear one. I think I actually hear one. Yo, why are we on top of that mountain? Why are we a few steps from... Why are we a few steps from death and on all corners? Okay, that's 5 deer. That's gotta be plenty. What in Davy Jones' locker is that? Oh no, we gotta get out of here. I'm not. I can't get out the scope. I'm not responsible for this. We shoot it, right? Oh no, I think we missed. I think we. Oh no! No! Ah!